not really finding the balance on the spot on the beach to run on good packed sand, because that sounds like rocks, and it is. It's sort of pebbly. But I was just doing my run, started on the beach, hit the rocks around the refineries, hit the logs, treat them like hot lava, work on my balance. And I just got off the rock part, back down into the sand, and realized I was grinning. I was just smiling ear to ear, and I was like, man, I did watch the Goonies last night. That could be part of it. But here I am, smiling, running, an activity I used to hate, now really enjoy. Treadmill and outdoors. And I'm grinning, and I'm just thinking, this has brought such novelty to my life. Like just playing around, working on my balance, ankle mobility, walking on unlevel terrain, some impact absorption, plyometric shit. Oh, this is rad. Bunch of deer down the way on the beach here. I got some friends. Oh, deer. Surprised me. But I just am so stoked on this little bit of novelty meaning so much to me. Making runs fun. Making training interactive and enticing. And I think what people forget is how much good this type of stuff gives us when we're just having fun, learning, and challenging. And challenging ourselves. And that's what ends up being such a great part of what we do with activity. How to switch arms. Getting tired. And I just really encourage you to take something and be a beginner again and remember the process. But find something that reminds you of your childhood. That reminded me of being a Goonie. Exploring. This is our time. As long as we're here, this is our time. So, figure out what it is you're looking for. One-eyed Willie's treasure. Having fun, being a gymnast again. Trying to run away to the circus. Have fun with it. And remember, Goonies never say die.